When you deal with automobiles, there's an incredible amount of responsibility. Bringing the best to the market and doing your best every day is our goal.
My name is Chris and I'm from Anchorage, Alaska, and I'm relocating down here to beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona to join the amazing team at One Army. So here at One Armor, our vision is that we're putting together an army of technicians providing a level of perfection that nobody has seen before. So I'm excited, I know he's excited, I think the whole team's here excited.
People love their cars, and we love doing things to make them better here at One Armor. Join us in welcoming Chris West to Arizona.